Hello guys, welcome to this week's tutorial. So most beginners waste a lot of time in Figma trying to repick the same colors again and again, but pros don't do that. They create color styles once and reuse them everywhere. In this video, I will show you how to do it step by step. So just tune in and watch how it goes. So let me move to a clean file and let's go. So what you are going to do is you are going to just select the rectangle and then add any color at all you want to add. So let's go to colors over here. So I'm going to add this color here this way, like this. All right, so I just want to give it a corner radius of let it work. So after I've added this color to this rectangle, what I'll do is I'll move to the right panel here, move to where the fill is, and then I'm going to click on the plus sign over here. Okay, so I would move again and click on the plus sign over here, and then you can see styles over here, styles. So I'm going to click it on it. All right, and then I'm going to give a name to this color. So let's basically say primary, or just anything at all. I'm going to give the name primary to it. So what did they use for main areas? Let me just say main button. All right, something like that. Then I'm going to click on create style over here. So basically you can see that when I click on this color here, you can see the fill here and you can see the name primary here. When I click anywhere on the file here, you can see that we have styles and we have primary. So you can be able to use this particular color anywhere. Let's go ahead and create some other colors. All right, so I'll go back here and then I'll go to fill in with any color. Let me choose this particular one. I just want to give it a corner radius just to make it look okay. Then I'll click on it and then move to the right panel here again and click on the plus sign here, and then I'm going to move and click on the plus sign over here, and I'll move to style, and I'm going to give a name to it. Let's say secondary color. So whatever this color is going to be used for in your design or project, you just put a name here, put a description over here. Let's say for secondary areas. Okay, yeah, something like that. So I'm going to click on the create style over here. Okay, so when I click anywhere on the file, you can see that the color has appeared over here, the same as secondary this way. So let's do one more color and then we proceed. So I'm going to add a rectangle here again, add a corner radius of 12 just to make it look nice. Okay, then I'm going to fill in with another color. Let's say for now let me pick this color here, and then I'm going to the plus sign over here. As you can see, add fill here, and then I'm going to go to add here and then star, and then I'm going to give it a name, maybe link. All right, so that will be for my links, and then a description. Let me just put for links over here. Then I'm going to create the star here. So you can see when I click on any empty space on the file, you can see that the styles are here: primary, secondary, and link. So you can use them anytime, anywhere you want. So let me just create something here. Let me just drag here, and then I'm going to pick one of the colors I've created. I don't need to go back to fill here and then try to get the colors that I want again. I'll just click on this, and then I'll go to where we have the fill, and then we have this apply styles and variables. So I'm going to click on it this way. So you can see that the colors I just created are here. So I'm just going to click on any one, and then my shape will be filled with it. Let me just click on secondary. As you can see, I've filled this particular shape with one of the color styles we have created. So it's basically just like that. You will be able to use this anytime you are doing any design, unless you want to change the colors yourself instead of wasting time creating colors every time. Now, instead of re-adding the colors manually, just click once and apply your saved color styles, and then you are good to go. This is the power of color systems. One edit updates everywhere instantly. No more wasted time. So if I want to change this color, I can just basically go back here to the styles here. All right. I'm just going to click on this icon over here. Okay. So I want to change this. Click here. So I'm going to change this to maybe red. Okay. And then that is it. So you can see that this color was first the violet color, but it has changed to red because I did the editing there. So that is the power of color styles. Any design you are doing at all, if you have the same color on different screens, you just go and do your change, the colors will change as well. Create once, reuse everywhere. That's how professionals design faster and smarter in Figma. If this video helped you, hit subscribe. I post simple beginner Figma tutorials every week. And see you next week. Thank you. Bye.